easy to find agua in the forest because sometimes we go so high and we have to dig and find water, but it's not easy. And we can extract it, the best water from this vine here. It's thousands of vines that also absorb water from the ground, but the Amazonian ground is very rich in minerals. So most of these lianas absorb water and raw minerals. If you drink, you can have big trouble because we have to refine, we have to clean. This one has magnesium and a little bit of calcium, which is nice. And how come you can recognize? First, the color. It's something like brown and orange. And the most important, if you can peel, very dry skin, that was the good one. If you find another liana, and if you peel and nothing happens, it's not good. So the big sign is this. When you peel, we call skin fraud. Then machete. So you have to cut as high as possible, then as low as possible, then you diminish, make small pieces. So the water comes from inside these rings, which is the filter. Then you have the best water to drink. Já. So
Bueno.
we never catch lianas like this, but it's a very special time. So we're gonna do for you.
Tem que cortar rápido, sempre com...
Normally we only explain and we preserve, but once will not be bad for the jungle.
Você só corta aqui e...
Deixa aqui pra cá. Tora pra cá.
Vamos fazer vários pedaços.
É.
Tora mais rápido que tora aqui.
Ali, né?
Tora lá.
Bem aqui, tá bom?
Tá.
Whoa. Good job, Caitlin. Woo, that is good water. Wow. That's so cool.
To the back.
Vai dividindo lá, pega lá, baby, um pedaço pra dar
Oh, we had
para
to
os outros lá. Foi rápido.
We just saved your life.
Oh man. I can
Feel the minerals.
tracing through my...
You didn't like it?
Don't waste it water.
Oh my gosh. That is the coolest thing I've seen in my life.
Jet ski?
E girar.